This video is made possible by G2A, great games for cheap prices. Use the affiliate link g2a.com/r/filmempire to support the show. Today I'm going to show you how I create my thumbnails and what upload settings I use in YouTube for my episodes right after the intro. Now that the Q&A is edited, which I did in previous behind the scenes video, I'll need to make the thumbnail. I open my thumbnail layout of Photoshop and then I add in a screen cap of the video. I now change the text and make sure everything is positioned correctly. After that's done, I save it into my thumbnails folder. I can now upload the video onto YouTube. I choose scheduled uploads and fill in all the data. I also add the custom thumbnail we made earlier. I can now upload the video. Once it's done uploading, I add in the end card layout. And that's how I upload my videos. So I hope that was helpful. If it was, leave a like, don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next week with a new video. Bye bye. Hi there, I hope you enjoyed that video. Now click the top thumbnail to see my latest video, click the thumbnail below it to see a highlighted one, and click my logo to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.